Most people don't fear the decision itself. They fear the regret that might follow. That fear can make even simple choices feel heavy. You pause, you overthink, you analyze until you're paralyzed. Because deep down, what matters to you, or what you truly needed at the time, you're not just trying to make the right choice, you're trying to protect yourself from ever feeling like you chose wrong. But here's the truth. You can't guarantee outcomes, but you can reduce regret. And it doesn't start with better logic. It starts with better alignment. You feel regret when the decision you made didn't match who you are. Not because the outcome was bad, but because the choice didn't come from a place of clarity. The biggest regret isn't failure. It's self-betrayal. So how do you avoid that? Start with this. Don't make decisions from fear, pressure, or trying to impress. That's the fastest way to end up somewhere you don't belong. Instead, slow down and ask yourself, what matters most to me in the long run? What would I choose if I wasn't trying to prove anything? Because someone else expected it. Because you were afraid to say no. That's when regret starts to sneak in. Not because the result was painful, but because you weren't true to yourself. Am I choosing this to feel better now or to become better later? When you make decisions from your values, not your moods, you build a life you can stand behind, even when things go wrong. So stop trying to avoid regret by playing it safe. Avoid regret by living with intention. Here's something most people never realize. Regret doesn't come from risk, it comes from disconnection. Because you'll know you chose for the right reasons. If you were connected to your purpose, your direction, your gut, then even when things go sideways, you'll feel grounded. But when you choose because it was safe. So how do you protect your future self from regret? You choose honestly, you listen deeper. You stop outsourcing clarity to everyone else. Every path will teach you something. And if you're willing to learn, you can grow through anything. You don't wait for certainty, you build alignment. And here's the beautiful part. No decision is ever perfect. But the more you hesitate, the more you hand regret the pen and let it write your story. Decide in your direction. Decide for your peace. Decide from your core, not your fear. Because the only true failure is not choosing at all.